Installing a firmware and RoT security module. Locate the firmware and RoT security module connector on the system board. Lower the firmware and RoT security module onto the system board and make sure that the connector on the module is correctly inserted into the slot on the system board. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the firmware and RoT security module. Reinstall the drive cage assembly and then reconnect all the required cables to the drive backplate. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.